3D printing has come a long way in recent years, offering incredible opportunities for creativity and innovation. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, finding the right 3D printer can make all the difference. Today, we'll take a closer look at the top 5 best 3D printers of 2024. All the links to the mentioned products are in the description below for up-to-date pricing and best deals. Let's get started. Number 5. QIDI Tech X-Max 3. The QIDI Tech X-Max 3 is a powerhouse of a 3D printer that offers exceptional reliability and versatility. This printer stands out with its large build volume, allowing you to create bigger and more intricate models. The sturdy metal frame ensures stability, reducing vibrations and enhancing print quality. Plus, the dual Z-axis design provides even more precision and balance during the printing process. Whether you're printing prototypes, functional parts, or artistic creations, the X-Max 3 handles it all with ease. One of the standout features of the X-Max 3 is its dual extrusion capability. This means you can print with 2 different materials or colors simultaneously, opening up a world of possibilities for your projects. The printer also comes with a high-quality touchscreen interface, making it easy to navigate through settings and monitor your prints. The intuitive design ensures that even beginners can get started quickly without feeling overwhelmed. Another impressive aspect of the QIDI Tech X-Max 3 is its compatibility with a wide range of filaments, from PLA and ABS to more advanced materials like TPU and nylon. This printer can handle them all. The heated build plate ensures excellent adhesion and prevents warping, resulting in cleaner, more accurate prints. Additionally, the enclosed design helps maintain a consistent temperature, which is crucial for successful printing with certain materials. Maintenance and setup are a breeze with the X-Max 3. The printer comes partially assembled, so you can have it up and running in no time. The detailed manual and customer support from QIDI Tech are also top-notch, ensuring you have all the help you need if you encounter any issues. With its robust build quality, versatility, and user-friendly features, the QIDI Tech X-Max 3 is an excellent choice for anyone looking to invest in a reliable 3D printer. Number 4. Creality Ender-5 S1. The Creality Ender-5 S1 is a well-designed 3D printer that combines affordability with high performance. Known for its cube-shaped structure, the Ender-5 S1 offers enhanced stability and precision. This printer is perfect for those who need a reliable machine for both small and large projects. Its spacious build volume allows for the creation of sizable prints without compromising detail or accuracy. A key feature of the Ender-5 S1 is its resin print function. Power outages or accidental interruptions are no longer a worry, as the printer can pick up right where it left off. This feature saves time and materials, making your printing experience more efficient and less frustrating. Additionally, the printer's improved stepper drivers reduce noise and ensure smoother operation, which is a significant upgrade from earlier models. The Ender-5 S1 also boasts an easy-to-use interface with a clear LCD screen. This makes navigating through settings and monitoring your prints straightforward and hassle-free. The printer supports a variety of filaments, including PLA, ABS, and PETG, allowing you to experiment with different materials to achieve the best results for your projects. The heated bed ensures good adhesion and helps prevent warping, which is essential for achieving high-quality prints. Assembly of the Creality Ender-5 S1 is simple, thanks to the detailed instructions provided. Most of the parts come pre-assembled, so you can get started quickly. Creality also offers excellent customer support, ensuring that any issues you encounter are promptly addressed. With its blend of affordability, reliability, and user-friendly features, the Ender-5 S1 is a fantastic option for both beginners and experienced users. Number 3. Anycubic Photon M5S. The Anycubic Photon M5S is a standout in the world of resin 3D printing. This printer is designed for those who demand high precision and detail in their prints. The Photon M5S uses an advanced monochrome LCD screen, which provides faster curing times and longer lifespan compared to traditional screens. This means you can achieve incredible detail in a fraction of the time, making it ideal for intricate models and miniatures. One of the most impressive features of the Photon M5S is its high-resolution capability. With a 6K resolution screen, this printer can produce incredibly detailed prints that capture even the smallest features. The uniform light source ensures consistent exposure across the entire build area, resulting in smooth and accurate prints every time. This level of precision is perfect for applications that require fine detail, such as jewelry, dental models, and figurines. The Photon M5S also comes with a user-friendly interface and a range of smart features. The touch screen allows for easy navigation through the printer settings, and the built-in Wi-Fi connectivity means you can monitor your prints remotely. Additionally, the printer includes robust slicing software that simplifies the process of preparing your models for printing. The software offers various settings to optimize your prints, ensuring you get the best possible results. Maintenance is straightforward with the Anycubic Photon M5S. The resin vat and build plate are easy to clean, and the printer's design makes it simple to replace the LCD screen when needed. Anycubic provides excellent customer support and comprehensive guides to help you troubleshoot any issues. With its exceptional detail, user-friendly features, and reliable performance, the Photon M5S is an excellent choice for anyone looking to produce high-quality resin prints. Number 2. Creality Ender-5 V3 Southeast. The Creality Ender-5 V3 Southeast is a fantastic entry-level 3D printer that offers excellent value for money. This printer is renowned for its reliability and ease of use, making it a popular choice among beginners and hobbyists. The Ender-5 V3 Southeast features a sturdy metal frame that ensures stability during printing, resulting in higher quality prints. Its compact design means it fits easily on a desktop, making it convenient for home use. One of the standout features of the Ender-5 V3 Southeast is its upgraded extruder system. The improved extruder provides more precise filament control, reducing the chances of clogging and ensuring smoother prints. This upgrade is particularly beneficial for those new to 3D printing, as it minimizes the troubleshooting often associated with extruder issues. The printer also includes a heated bed, which helps with adhesion and reduces warping, leading to better print quality. The Ender-5 V3 Southeast is equipped with a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to start printing right out of the box. The printer comes partially assembled, and the detailed instructions guide you through the remaining steps. Creality's customer support is also excellent, providing assistance whenever needed. The printer is compatible with a wide range of filaments, including PLA, ABS, and TPU, allowing you to experiment with different materials and achieve the best results for your projects. Another impressive aspect of the Ender-5 V3 Southeast is its print resume function. This feature allows the printer to resume printing from the last recorded position in case of a power outage or other interruptions. This not only saves time and materials, but also ensures that your prints are not ruined due to unforeseen issues. With its blend of reliability, ease of use, and affordability, the Creality Ender-5 V3 Southeast is an excellent choice for anyone looking to get started with 3D printing. Number 1. Bambu Lab P1S. The Bambu Lab P1S takes the top spot on our list for its outstanding performance and innovative features. This 3D printer is designed for those who demand the best in terms of quality and versatility. The P1S features a large build volume, allowing you to create big and complex models with ease. The printer's sturdy construction ensures stability and precision, resulting in high-quality prints every time. One of the most remarkable features of the Bambu Lab P1S is its multi-material capability. This printer can handle up to 4 different materials simultaneously, making it perfect for complex projects that require different types of filaments. The advanced extruder system ensures precise filament control, reducing the chances of clogging and ensuring smooth prints. The P1S also comes with a heated bed, which helps with adhesion and reduces warping, leading to better print quality. The Bambu Lab P1S is also known for its user-friendly interface. The large touchscreen makes it easy to navigate through settings and monitor your prints. The printer includes Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to control and monitor your prints remotely. Additionally, the P1S comes with advanced slicing software that simplifies the process of preparing your models for printing. The software offers various settings to optimize your prints, ensuring you get the best possible results. Maintenance of the Bambu Lab P1S is straightforward, thanks to its modular design. The printer's components are easy to access and replace, making upkeep simple. Bambu Lab also provides excellent customer support and comprehensive guides to help you troubleshoot any issues. With its exceptional performance, versatility, and user-friendly features, the Bambu Lab P1S is the best 3D printer you can buy in 2024. There you have it, the top 5 best 3D printers of 2024. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's a printer on this list that will meet your needs. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and updates. Happy printing!